Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel Tech with Bumi, and in today's video I'll give you a tutorial on how to create a Fiverr account in 2023. If you're looking for a side hustle or you want to leverage on an extra income in 2023, then you need Fiverr. I would have done a tutorial on Upworks, but for a beginner I would advise you open a Fiverr account, then later you can go to Upworks, because Fiverr account is easy to operate, but Upworks you need to answer some questions. It has a lot of procedures, but though the both platform they are free. But in today's tutorial, we'll be talking more about Fiverr account, how to open a Fiverr account, and who is to open a Fiverr account. If you want to make money, if you have a skill and you don't even have any experience at all for it, then you can create a Fiverr account and you can start building your portfolio on the Fiverr on anyone that purchased your gig. And in a later video, I'm also going to be giving you the type of gig you can open so that you can easily get people to patronize you. Okay, so without any further ado, let's just dive straight to the main tutorials for today. Thank you. So if you love life and you love good things, then you want to have a side hustle in 2023. So in today's video, I will be showing you if a gig or a Fiverr platform, a marketplace that a lot of companies, even companies goes there, they go there to search for people to work for them, and they pay you, and at the end of the day, if you do your work very well, they leave a positive review for you. The more review you get, the more clients you get on Fiverr. A lot of people says they don't make money on Fiverr. Yes, to have a Fiverr account, I would encourage us to have at least 5 gig. And what do I mean by gig? That means Fiverr allows you to create 5 products and services to sell. So out of the 7 gig that you're going to sell, definitely if you use the correct SEO, the correct keywords, then you're going to get a buyer in any of the 7 gig you open. So if you want to be a serious freelancer, then I would encourage you to look at the best skills that you have, the 7 best skills that you have, and you create the gig on Fiverr. In my later video, maybe in the next video after this, I'm going to be showing you some ideas, some gig ideas that you can easily make money from, even on your bed. You can do it around the world. You can do it anywhere you are, even you can work in your toilet. Okay, you can work in your bedroom, so far you're doing the job rightly. Yes. So without any further ado, let's just dive into my system so I can show you how to set up a Fiverr account. And please watch this video to the end. Do not miss any part of this video. And in my later video, I'm going to be showing us how to create a gig on Fiverr. A full tutorial on how to create a gig with the right keywords, how to do it rightly, so that you will get your first clients, and you don't want to miss that. So please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it out. So let's just dive straight to my system for the next tutorial. Cheers. So tech lovers, if you want to open a Fiverr account after these tutorials, then you can use my link in my description, and I'm also going to pin it in the comments section. So to set up your Fiverr account, as you can see, this is Fiverr. You go to fiverr.com. find the perfect freelance services for your business. Then you can just type anything, any of the freelancing you're looking for, and you search. Then the popular demand is website design, WordPress, logo design, and video editing. We will go deeper in further videos, so please subscribe to this channel. Okay, support your girl. Then this is my location. The currency, if you're in US, is going to put the currency here, but I'm in Canada. Then English, Fiverr for business. Then you come here, become a seller. A gig is bought every 4 seconds on Fiverr, and it says work your way, you bring the skills, you would make any easy. Then transaction made on Fiverr is over 50 million plus, and price range is between $5 to $10,000. Okay, so now join our growing freelancing community. These are the people that you can be: a voiceover artist, you can be a social media marketer, a musician, a writer, a video editor, a developer, and a designer. A lot you can become. So just stick to my videos, you would learn more about this. So what's your skill? Do you have any skills in mind and you don't even know how to develop it? Then come to Fiverr, sign up using my link. Okay, how it works: create a gig, sign up for free, set up your gig, and offer your work to our global audience. They already have their audience, they already have their clients. People just come to Fiverr, companies come to Fiverr and type for what they want, and they search your profile. That's why your profile has to be a very good profile. So they search your profile. Then when they like your work, they contact you. So I will advise that Fiverr has a app. It has an app, so you can download on your Play Store and put on your phone, because they like easy, they like quick answers. As in, when a customer contacts you, I believe you want a quick response. So you want to make sure you have the Fiverr app on your phone, so you don't miss out your customers. So how it works: create a gig, sign up for free, set up your gig. Gig is your services, and offer your work to our global audience. Deliver great work, get notice when you get an order, and use our system to discuss details with customers. Then you get paid. Get paid on time, every time. Payment is available for withdrawal as soon as it's cleared. So, and you can also learn from Fiverr, you know, and these are buyer stories. People love our logo, and we love Fiverr. Fiverr is an amazing resources for anyone in the startup space. So are you thinking of starting a business in 2023? Then you need to sign up for Fiverr. You can go through this. These are frequently asked questions. So now I already have an account with them. So I'm just going to be, you can join to create an account, and it's totally free. So I'll be signing in into my account now. Mind you, if you can sign in using your email address, you can sign in with your Apple, or continue with Google, or you can also sign in with your Facebook account. So this is my sign in. So I'm going to click on continue. So now this is my platform, and you go to, let's switch to seller. I'll switch to seller account. So if I switch to seller account, you have to create your profile. It's going to ask you for verification of your phone number, and just follow the procedure. And then you go to dashboard. You go to your profile. So this is where we are going to be working right now, because you want your profile to be attractive, so that anybody that comes to your platform, or to your to your gig, they will find you interesting and they will order your service, even if you don't have the experience, but you have the skills. So now let's change this picture. You must make sure that your profile picture is a very clear picture. Okay, so and you make sure that the picture is clear, your face is showing very well, because a lot of customers want to know the type of person they are dealing with, and automatically your location is going to show here. And remember, then it's going to show since when you join Fiverr. Then as you grow, you will continue to as you grow, you will start earning badges from Fiverr. Okay, then you put a description, like the description I put here. I opened this a long time, I need to update it, right? So it says, I'm a certified social media manager stroke marketer. I would help optimize your social media page and give you organic followers through trending hashtag on your social media platform. So then you click save. Because I put this here, I'll just update it. I can always change it. Then you can add your language. You put your language here. You put English, then you decide which one of the English you want. Are you fluent? Are you basic? Are you conversational, native, or bilingual? So I put fluent. You put the one you want. So then link your you can link your account, you can link your Facebook account, you can link your Google, Dibble, Stack Overflow, GUp, Vemom, and Twitter accounts. Okay, you can add all this to your account. Then you can add your skills. You can put your skills here, social media marketing. Then you can add your education too. Add your education, add your certificate. If you have a certificate, you can also add your certificate. So basically, this is how to set up a Fiverr account and you create a gig. There's a gig here that I created, but I'm going to update it. It says I will do social media marketing, email marketing, content writing. Okay, but I won't be going through this today because I want to update my profile accounts. Okay, and after I will update it, and maybe I'm going to give you a tutorial on this when we are having a full tutorial on how to create a gig on Fiverr. Okay, so I hope you are gaining from this video. So we are almost rounding up. Then finally, I would encourage us that wherever you are putting on Fiverr, please be truthful about everything. Do not lie about any of your services. Just be open-minded and create your gig and be positive that you're going to get clients. Okay, in my other videos that I will be putting to us, I'm going to be telling you how to get your first client on Fiverr. Okay, so you don't want to miss that. So please subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching. Cheers. So I hope you enjoyed these tutorials. So tell me, are you not going to start a Fiverr business? Are you going to put your business on Fiverr or your gig on Fiverr? Let me know in the comment section, and please ask me any of your questions. Then I will be in the comment section to answer all your questions. Okay, so I hope you gained something from this video. Let me know in the comment section. Say yes, I gained, and if you do not gain anything, you can ask me your questions. So till when I see you, this is the end of the video. Bye for now, and please do not forget to watch others of my videos. Cheers, and do have a lovely day.